This is the Zoom H4Npro, and this is the Sony ECMCS3. That's regarding, does it work without phantom power? So that's an interesting question that I asked now. I used this previously, so I want to show you that right now it's not plugged in. So if I go to standby, it's going to pick up the mics on top so you can see the meters. Okay, I haven't turned anything on, so this is interesting. Let's connect the mic and see what happens. So let's hit stop on that. Then the way to connect the external mic, it's on the back of the Zoom, which is right here. So we're going to connect the mic. Now, as you can see, it's now connected, and there's a red light that comes on. And then if you tap on the mic, nothing happens. Just put it on standby. And then, yep, nothing happens. So what's the deal? So if we go in here into the menu and we go into the input, we're going to notice that there's a couple of things here that you might think you need to do. So let's first turn on the phantom power. And let's see if that'll get it going. So that will probably get it going. So turn on phantom power. Phantom power won't mess up your mic. So let's just turn that on. Okay, so now it's on phantom power, represented by the plus 48. And let's get out of this section, go back to the main screen, and then we go to the record, and yet no meters, nothing's happening. So what gives? So this is interesting. Let's go back to the menu. So the phantom power regards to these two inputs, so it has nothing to do with the external input there. So what we want to do is we want to go back into this section, and we're going to scroll down. Okay, we're going to go past the 48 phantom power. And this is what you want. See right there? It says plug in is off. So we're going to push the scroll wheel, and we're just going to turn it on. And then when we turn it on, we come out of the menu, come out that way. And we're going to notice that, yep, here we go. See, if I tap on it, now the mic is being picked up and you're ready to record your audio. And that's how you turn on the power for the external mic plugged in to the back. So there you go. Hope you found that useful.